is here with another video about one of the very important topics that you ask me a lot to learn the French language. It's about the jobs, the professions, or les métiers ou les professions en français. So, stay with me in this video to learn all the jobs. And another important point is that I'm gonna tell you both masculine and feminine jobs because it's an important point in French. Il y a des métiers différents. Il y a des professions différentes. Meaning, there are different professions or jobs. Par exemple, professeur. Professeur means teacher. Je suis professeur d'anglais. Je suis professeur d'anglais. I'm an English teacher. Or I can say, je suis professeur de français. Means I'm a French teacher. I teach French. Another profession is avocat, meaning lawyer. Avocat for males and avocate for females. Par exemple, il est avocat. He's a lawyer. Il défend les droits des gens. He defends people's rights. Il défend les droits des gens. Droit means right, and gens means people. Avocat, avocate. Médecin, meaning doctor. Médecin stays the same for both males and females. Ma mère est médecin. My mother is a doctor. Elle soigne les maladies. She cures sicknesses. Elle soigne les maladies. Maladie means sickness, disease. And soigner means to cure. Médecin, doctor. Ingénieur, meaning engineer. Ingénieur is also the same for females and males. For example, mon père est ingénieur. My father is an engineer. Il construit les bâtiments. Il construit les bâtiments means he constructs buildings. Policier, policière. Policeman and policewoman. Elle est policière. She's a policewoman. She's a police officer. Elle protège les gens. She protects people. Protéger means to protect. Elle secrétaire. Secretary. Mon ami est secrétaire. My friend is a secretary. Il répond au téléphone. He responds the phones. He answers the phones. Secrétaire. But the secretary works for who? Watch this. Most of the times, the secretaries work for a boss. That in French means le patron. Le patron. And the feminine form of this is la patronne, both meaning boss. Or you can also say le directeur. And the feminine form is la directrice, the decision maker. Par exemple, le directeur ou le patron a pris une décision. Means the boss has made a decision. Le patron a pris une décision. Décision means decision. By the way, if you think you still have problems with masculine or feminine forms of the nouns in French, you could click here to grab the concept better. I hope it will be helpful for you. What about a salesperson in French? Vendeur and vendeuse. Male salesperson and female salesperson. Elle est vendeuse. She's a salesperson. Elle vend des chaussures. She sells shoes. Chaussures means shoes. Vendeur, vendeuse, salesperson. Another one is artiste, as it seems, meaning artist. Par exemple, mon cousin est artiste. My cousin is an artist. Il joue du piano. He plays the piano. Jouer means to play. Entraîneur, entraîneuse, both meaning trainer, but this is for males and this one is for females. Entraîneur and entraîneuse. Par exemple, ma sœur est entraîneuse. My sister is a trainer. Il travaille au gym. He works at the gym. What about the group of people who work together in the same office? The employees, which in French is les employés. Employés. Les employés. Employees or the employees. Les employés doivent travailler de 8 heures à 2 heures. The employees have to work from 8 to 2. Les employés doivent travailler de 8 heures à 2 heures. In this video, I have mentioned some generic forms of most of the jobs. But if you want to know more about your job or other jobs of your interest, you can ask me in the comments. And I would be glad if you subscribe my channel after watching this video. Au revoir!